Alright, so I have a 2024 Duramax Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This is the LT model. So it does not have a sunroof, but it does have the big screen radio. And it has cameras, and it has camera for the back. And it's got your trailer brakes and all that stuff. Clearly all 2500s do, but it's got 50,463 miles. The truck's treating me pretty well. It has wireless phone charging, a lot of space in the back, a lot of space. Your mirrors, they can fold in and out with just a button right here. Push that button and they fold back out. It's not honestly, it's the first diesel I've ever owned. And I wanted to make a video about it because I'm really proud of this truck. I've never owned something this nice. I had a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 SE or S, whatever it was. But yeah, this truck right here, I love this truck. I got it from Tulsa, Oklahoma. They shipped it to me overnight. It arrived at 4 a.m. in the morning. It's got 5% tint, so the windows are really dark. See how I do want a sunroof, but it's not factory, so I'm not gonna put one in here. I think the MSRP on this truck's like brand new, like it's close to 80 grand, but I paid 54,000. I got a really good deal. That's why I got it out of state. Tulsa, Oklahoma is where I got this truck. So really, it's a damn good truck. I love this truck. It rides so smooth, very well. I've never even pulled anything with it. And yeah, I've never pulled nothing with it. Trailer, I haven't even hauled a damn lawnmower with it. So honestly, I don't know why I got it. I guess because I've wanted a Duramax for so long. I can't wait to hit 100,000 miles so I can get it tuned and deleted. That's what I'm really excited for. So this is the outside of it. There's 50,000, these are the factory tires. There's 50,000 miles on these tires. And it does good burnouts. That's why those are bald. But it's, oh, can't show that. %5 tint, you can't see shit. Nope, nothing. It's kind of dirty right now. It's got AC in the back. Yeah, it's 6.6 liter Duramax diesel. This is my 24 Malibu. I love this car. It is really trashy because she drives it. 2024 Malibu RS, which means it's just like sports mode or something.